Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enter prank mode on your earbuds HUAWEI FreeBuds Wi-Fi. You have to start by open the charging case, and then at the right side we have connectional button. You need to press and hold this connectional button until this LED light starts blinking white. Here we go, and now we just enter to pairing mode, so we should see them at the device list. Right here we have them, and you can tap on them and pair them with your phone. That's it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!